The Apple TV 4K 3rd Gen is a complete and advanced TV box. You can watch all your movies and series basically on all platforms in high resolution and with great quality. But the Apple TV isn't only that. The 3rd Gen Apple TV 4K has the A15 Bionic chip inside, which is the same as the iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 14. A really powerful chip that can handle all the TV box duties and more, so you can also game. The unit that I have here is the 128 gigs version with a LAN port and a HDMI 2.1 port, which is a great thing. The same HDMI 2.1 port, you can find it also on the basic version with the 64 gigs and the only Wi-Fi. Speaking about Wi-Fi, both versions here have Wi-Fi 6, which can be important for gaming. More on that later. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. It takes only 1 second of your time, but helps a lot to the channel and all the stuffs related to all those YouTube algorithms. Thanks a lot for your support. Now, speaking about gaming, the first thing I suggest you guys to do is to pair a controller to get the best experience while gaming. You can use a PS5 or an Xbox One if you want, but I would suggest to use the Xbox controller since it is full compatible with the Steam Link app. The first place where you can download games is the Apple Arcade Store, which has interesting titles and you can find the game you like the most. Be aware though that depending on your subscriptions, you might or might not pay to download some games. But you can also stream games from your PC using the Steam Deck app. By doing so, you can use your gaming PC as a streaming service and game through the Apple TV with a controller. Just be sure to be on the same network, otherwise this won't work. It is why Wi-Fi 6 here is important, because of the high speed. Keep in mind that you should also have a router that supports it. But anyway, also Wi-Fi 5 will do the work fine. Although from what I've tested, connecting both the Apple TV and the gaming PC with the LAN cable would allow even a better experience. If you have other game launchers like Epic or Battle.net and you want to game on games that you have also there, here we have another interesting app called Moonlight, which will allow you to stream your games onto the Apple TV similarly as done with the Steam Link app. The only limitation here at the moment is that you should have Nvidia GPU and use the GeForce Experience app on your PC to add the games in the Shield submenu. But overall, I found this app to be useful and with a lot of customizations, allowing to game even in 4K at 60 FPS. So if you don't have a gaming console in your living room and you are not interested in a console exclusive, but you have a gaming PC and also an Apple TV, well, you already have, let's say, a gaming console. Pure gaming using the Apple TV can't replace all experience that you can get with a PS5 or with the Xbox Series console. But if you want to casual game once in a while on your living room couch, well, you can do it perfectly with the Apple TV and also with a controller. If you are new here and found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, hit the like button and don't forget to enable the notifications. Thanks a lot for your support and thanks for watching.